Are you about to retire? No matter how long you've been saving and preparing, there is still a lot you'll have to prepare for emotionally, mentally, and financially near the date of your official retirement. Hello, and welcome back to the Finance Guardian channel. Everybody enters the workplace at an early age and keeps working until retirement. We spend a great deal of time working and rarely spend time doing what we love. Eventually, we reach retirement where we have the time to do everything that we have ever wanted to do. It is for this reason that retirement is considered to be among the most enjoyable times of life. However, these words only portray half the truth. Retirement, a time to do all the things you never had time to do when you worked. These words by Catherine Pulsifer bring a sense of wisdom to making decisions and planning ahead for retirement. We may not have an enjoyable or reliable retirement if we do not take important steps before retiring. There are even chances that we will be overwhelmed with various types of worries. Is that something you would like? So let us walk you through the 10 things you must do before you retire to be ready to enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Number 1. Become debt-free. You will likely be on a fixed income when you retire. It could come from your pension, retirement funds, Social Security, or a combination of all three. If you're living on a fixed income, you shouldn't let debt or any other money waster start eating away at that money you need to live. Work toward getting out of debt before you retire in order to avoid taking up your fixed income. There are various ways you can eliminate your monthly debt payments, including credit card payments, auto or student loan payments, and your mortgage. Doubling down on your debt might be challenging, but in the long run, you'll be more financially secure. Number 2. Calculate your retirement income. Understanding what you'll need in retirement and how your accounts will provide income should be part of your preparations for retirement. Several sources of retirement income are available for you, including Social Security, a pension, a 401k plan from your employer, other retirement accounts, passive income, and more. It's also possible to work part-time in retirement. An experienced financial planner may be able to help you determine how much you will need, how much you currently have saved, and how to fill in any gaps. In addition, you should estimate your retirement expenses to ensure you have the income to cover them. Number 3. Keep your Social Security knowledge up to date. It's important to brush up on what you need to know about Social Security because there are many false rumors about it. You'll need an average retirement income of about 70% of what you earn now to support yourself. In most cases, this income is earned through accrued savings and Social Security payments. Also, make sure you understand what Social Security benefits you're eligible for. For example, you may already know that you can start receiving Social Security when you turn 62. However, you may not be aware that delaying the age at which you begin collecting payments has benefits. By delaying receiving Social Security until you are 67, you can receive 8% more in benefits until you turn 70. For an overview of your Social Security benefits, get a free report from Social Security. Number 4. Reassess and update your estate plan. As you approach retirement, it is important to update your estate plan. Retirement will surely bring changes to your lifestyle. This is why it is vital to review your end-of-life plan. Make sure you have a will, a power of attorney, and medical directives laid out. Your will should not only provide for the financial well-being of your loved ones after your death, but also be legally binding. Make sure your will and other directives comply with the legal requirements and guidelines of your state by working with an estate attorney or other professional. If necessary, you should also update the asset allocation between your beneficiaries. Number 5. Choose the best life insurance plan and policy. In cases where you are the primary breadwinner in your family, you need to ensure the future of you and your family after retirement. Life insurance plans and policies can help you with this. Life insurance policies can provide you with financial security after your retirement. But this is not the only benefit that you can avail yourself of through life insurance. You can also save taxes by purchasing it. You can avail tax deductions for the life insurance premiums paid. Hence, you should take the best life insurance policy possible for your future. Additionally, even if you already have coverage through your employer, you should still buy your own life insurance policy, because once you leave your job, your life insurance will no longer be valid and your Medicare coverage will not be all you thought it would be. Having supplemental medical, dental, and prescription coverage is crucial to surviving retirement. Number 6. Prepare a long-term care plan. An estimated 7.5 million Americans are receiving some form of long-term care as of January 2020, according to the American Association for Long-Term Care. According to statistics, long-term care lasts an average of 3 years. Even though costs vary widely, long-term care can easily cost thousands of dollars per week. In light of this, you can never be sure if you will need care. It's important that you have a plan in place in case you or a family member needs long-term care. You may want to consider purchasing long-term care insurance and deciding what type of facility you would prefer to live in. Number 7. Choose a hobby that you enjoy. In retirement, staying active does not only mean exercising and eating right, but it also means staying mentally healthy. Retirees who lose their sense of purpose and community are more likely to suffer from depression. It's important to stay busy throughout retirement, even if you're dreaming of not having to work every day. Join a travel group, a book club, or a cooking class to explore some new interests. Joining a senior center or volunteering with an organization can also help you stay connected with your friends. Many people discover that their living expenses have increased after they retire and realize they need more income. Others miss the daily routine and socialization they experienced at work. A part-time job in retirement is a great way to remain socially active and earn some extra money. There are many different part-time job options for retirees where they can find engaging work with flexible schedules, such as substitute teaching, working in retail, assisting with administrative work, and providing childcare. Number 8. Develop a strong circle of friends. As important as it is to have your own interests, having like-minded people around you is equally important. When you retire, you will have a lot more free time, so it is important to have friends you enjoy spending time with. Several retirees make the decision to move closer to their friends. There are several 55 and up communities throughout the country designed for people to live close to each other. These communities have recreation centers with staff available to plan activities for the residents. Whether or not you move to a certain community, be sure to surround yourself with people who you will enjoy spending time with. Number 9. Plan your travels in advance. Be sure to plan how you'll enjoy retirement since you've worked hard all your life for it. Plan out the activities you've always wished to do. Plan ahead to make sure you get the most out of your travel cash. Hotels that offer extended stays are an excellent option for low-cost housing and extending the duration of your vacation. Airbnb and VRBO are also good options for longer vacations as they are often more affordable and flexible than traditional hotels. Consider how much your travels will cost, who you wish to travel with, and what you would like to do while on the road. Number 10. Take into account your housing needs. When planning for retirement, don't overlook the importance of housing. You should consider a few factors when determining whether your current home will be suitable for your golden years. Have you paid off your mortgage? Can you move around easily in your house as you age? Is it time to move out of your current city? Do you want to be closer to family and friends? Are you concerned about the possibility of needing assisted living in the future? Generally, lenders will offer loans to borrowers with income, so if you're considering moving into a condo or downsizing to a retirement-friendly city, you may want to make the switch before you retire. The Retirement Housing Foundation is a great resource if you need advice on your housing expenses in retirement. And that's all the time that we have today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe to our channel, and on your way out, please do remember to click on that bell icon too, so you can remain updated about all of our future videos. You're welcome to the channel where you will learn the basics of personal finance in easy to understand language. We'll see you next time.